So today we made kimbap at CJ, the kitchen, and it was so fun, but to be honest, it was kind of hard. But it was really fun to make the one of the most famous Bunsik or street food in Korea, and it was so interesting and fun experience to do.
Today we did naked kimbap. It was a really interesting experience. I thought it's easy to make, but actually you need to acquire some skills. It's absolutely delicious. I haven't tried it yet. I just ate small portions, but yeah, it's amazing.
안녕하세요. 오늘 김밥 만들었네요. 선생님 덕분에 진짜 예쁘게 잘 만들었습니다. 감사합니다.